Exactly.
However, the fit and finish isn't quite there.
Yep.
And what I mean by that is, I was talking to a gentleman a couple weeks back, and he says when he's in his Tesla and he's talking through the Bluetooth, he has to almost yell for persons on the other end to hear him because there's so much road noise coming into the cabin.
Actually, it was much quieter yesterday than BMW.
Really?
Yeah, because we test drove 2 cars in one day. So I was telling Stephanie that it was kind of loud.
Okay.
And then when I was doing the test, like, it was so quiet.
Okay. Well, another issue with Tesla, because you guys asked me to speak my mind.
Yeah, go for it.
It's a service issue.
Yeah.
What about the service issue?
It's difficult getting service.
Really?
Well, they don't necessarily have a shop.
Really?
And they'll come get it
Telling you
anyone, but it's not as easy.
Yeah,
It's not as easy as BMW.
Yeah,
it's nowhere near as easy.
And you have a loaner car whenever you needed something.
Oh yeah,
Absolutely.
we love our BMW. We love Tom Cruise. Yeah.
I'm sure Tom would be happy to hear that. So you guys live in the area?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just let you do your thing, and hopefully you bring me back in one piece.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
He's driving.
I drive like a grandpa.
I haven't seen any signs of that.
She's the speeder one.
Is that right? Okay.
Yeah.
How about before you're gonna get on the ramp here, right?
Yeah.
How about we put it in sport mode?
She's the sport mode already.
Oh, okay.
Even in the X1, if you're like in comfort, and you're cruising, and then you put it in sport mode, you will really feel the difference.
Well, it's actually running at a higher RPM.
And the pickup is really fast.
Absolutely.
Go for it. Para mag-screw pa.
There's always a highway patrol here.
Is that right?
Yeah, under that bridge.
And they generally have the radar out?
I think so, yeah. But you'll never know.
The reason why I asked, I just recently found out that you can download an app on these little detect radar.
Really?
I got it on mine.
What is the name of the app?
Don't make me look it up.
That is an important thing.
I guess
I need that all the time. Are you recording?
Yeah. See, I was just telling you, there's an HB highway patrol over there.
Is that right?
Behind that big truck, the big semi.
Oh no,
he's driving, he's not parked.
Oh, no, he
he's
don't.
not parked. So he's always here. Here.
Always
over there.
on.
Lahat na electric. Lahat na electric. Ganyan ang Kaso nilimit nila kahapon sa 85.
Why is it showing
Speed limit.
gasoline? Yes. Oh, these are the. This is
That's your navi.
Tom Bush.
Yeah, but that's your navigation. And someone put it on there for to highlight gas stations. I don't know why.
Magpa-program siya. So nakalimit kami sa 85. Ito well limit lang. As ka zero.
I'll tell
Check
you.
your Google Maps here. Have you
Pero
tried it?
lang.
No.
Pero lang.
Well, I've got an Android phone, but
Pero lang
yes,
ako
I've
sa
seen it
Prius.
used. So you can change this whole display
Yeah.
into this similar display on your cell phone.
Yes, kasi ano.
The only problem with that is
Bagal
it
din?
uses your phone.
Oh, yeah.
Babaguhin ko
But this
reputasyon
is
nila.
not. I can't find the name of that app, but I'm gonna keep looking.
Oh, it's fine. Mabaguhin ko reputasyon.
And all models like this, I mean like the basic models, comes with a bucket seat like this.
Yes. You're talking about in the front, right? Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have this console in the center. All pretty much all three levels.
Is it heated seat at the back also? Or that's an option?
That's absolutely an
option.
available option. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Can we see the one that you're looking
I'll tell you something
Oh,
I
they don't have it.
did put on here. Well, I put a whole lot of things.
I'm sorry, go
But
ahead.
I turned my, you guys familiar with the digital key?
Uh-huh.
I turned my phone into a digital key.
Okay.
So I don't even have to turn it on. I just approach the car and put my phone near the door handle. The door unlocked. Sit there at the charging station. And I can drive my car without my keys.
Without the keys?
Yes. Digital key.
Tanin, guys.
So they added that on my BMW app.
Correct. That's exactly what it is in my BMW.
Maluwag sa likod.
Hindi.
Ah?
Do we want to maybe
This is a smaller
pull
car than
over and
yesterday.
switch?
Oh,
You wanna
you
try,
drive?
Grace?
Anybody want to drive?
No.
I don't touch
Nobody wants to. So you don't test drive?
No,
You just buy.
Yeah. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Okay.
No,
like
I
the way
let
you
someone
roll.
else drive it and then
Okay. Everybody's got their process, and you gotta respect it.
The one I drove yesterday is bigger than, a little bit bigger than this, I guess.
Okay.
I mean,
How
that
come
one
it's
has
a little bit
300
bigger?
and
It's the same
something.
i4 that I don't think it's bigger.
Feels
It's also an
bigger.
i4, right?
Okay, so the customer's always right. If she said it's bigger, it's bigger.
I don't know.
I don't think it is. I disagree, but I'm not going to argue.
She's not yet a customer. She's a potential.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Well,
She's a returning
if I disagree with it, she'll
I
be
am a
never
returning
be.
customer, see? I am a returning
A
customer.
returning, a repeat
Uh-huh.
customer.
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, the one that I tried yesterday has like 300 something miles range on.
Okay, so this is a 40i.
Yeah.
That might have been a
Yeah,
50.
See, I'm
Yeah.
telling you.
Yeah,
Ay,
it's a 50,
caramba.
but it's the same body.
It's the same size.
It's the same
It's the same
size?
size.
But the
It's also an i4, right?
Correct.
i4. Yeah. Because they got like 3 models for the i4.
Mhm.
35, 40, and 50.
You did your homework.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I just saw it.
oh yeah, I've been watching
You guys are
videos
funny,
for a
man. That
week
shows
now.
that you're really interested in
Oh, I can't. That's aggravating. That's not it.
So this has like also like 360 view when parking. Like
Yes.
a camera, right?
Thought it did.
It should have, right?
check it out when we park.